What's up, guys? I'm gonna do the introduction to Angelique Residences. It's close to Candy, where we stayed for the first month, actually just a block away. We tried to actually stay at Candy for another month and booked straight through the hotel, but had some issues with them, so we ended up here at Angelique, which is for the better. Our one-bedroom suite is so much bigger than the one-bedrooms over at Candy. The staff is friendlier, more helpful. There's a rooftop bar here, rooftop pool. There's a bar down on the first floor, open 24 hours. The mini mart's open 24 hours. So they have some similarities, but we just enjoyed our stay here more than we did at Candy. That being said, it is within reach of everything that you need to see and do in Angeles. I mean, ABC, which is the popular party spot, is like 3 blocks away. SM Mall is right down the street. Walking Street you can get to. I mean, everything is within like a 5-10 minute walk here. And then the one thing that we love here is the views. I mean, come on, the balcony is big enough. They have a chair and table out here. We've been sitting out here having breakfast every morning. It's amazing. We ended up on the good side of the building where it's like shaded in the mornings. It's like perfect weather. And you'll see, I kind of repeat myself throughout the video. The views here are amazing, and once you get up to the rooftop and have the 360 view, I mean, it's hard to beat. And this is one of the tallest buildings in the area, so you can literally see everything. Alright, here we go. Angelique Residences. Always trikes available as soon as you come out, take you wherever you need. Pool table, restaurant, T-backs. Have a convenience store. Now to the rooftop and the pool. The same view. If you're not in the pool, you can come hang out here. They have servers for lunch, dinner, private area with great views of the city also. Live bands on the weekend. The bar, fully stocked, ready, seating, entertainment. Great place to take a date, hang out for the night. And then the rooftop here. And I know I keep repeating myself about the views, but I mean, come on. Look at this. All right, guys, and here we are, Angelique. 9th floor, 1-bedroom suite. You got the entryway, nice little kitchen area, microwave, water service, stovetop, dinner area, love seat and couch, both recliners, TV with cable, fast internet, and a beautiful view looking at the mountains every morning. For those of you who are going to be out here partying, right here is ABC, so Short walk to ABC right in front of you, to the SM, walking street. Back into the living room, and then into the bedroom. The bedroom is huge. You got a separate entryway to the balcony, and table, closet, mirror. You got TV, cable there, and then entrance to the bathroom with a bathtub, everything you need. And that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Comment below with any questions and I'll get back to you. Definitely try to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be traveling around here in the Philippines, so I have a bunch more videos coming soon. All right, stay tuned.